Hey y'all, it's Rashelle.slaughters. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back on another video. I'm not gonna lie, this one's a banger. I'm super excited to show you guys this look. So, unless y'all living under a rock, I already know y'all seen the Nicki Minaj and Tekashi 6ix9ine Trollz videos. So, sis posted this picture right here of her hair, and I was like, oh yeah, I have to recreate that in braids because I know it will be fire. But before we get into all that, can we give us a pat on the back for the voiceover? Like, this is my first video with a voiceover, and not gonna lie, I hate the sound of my voice, so this is definitely growth for me. So I am proud of myself. So y'all should be proud of me. I put a poll up on my Instagram months ago asking if I should do voiceovers, no voiceovers, and voiceovers definitely won. So here I am. This is the start of the voiceovers. Hope you guys are proud. Okay, back to the look. So modeling today is my best friend Aisha. She was scared to do this, but I talked her into it and she was down. So we are just gonna do my traditional medium-sized box braids. We'll do them a little longer. They were about like butt, little almost thigh length, but it's traditional box braids, so nothing too complicated. So for my medium box braids, I like to part the hair from ear to ear horizontally, and then again ear to ear vertically, if that makes sense. And then I like to part straight down the middle so it'll meet that horizontal part. Hope this isn't too complicated, but I like to do 5 rows from that middle part to the ear on both sides. And that is to ensure that all of my braids will be the same exact size. So that's a tip for y'all. Do the same amount of rows on each side from your middle part. So like Nicki's wig, the complete left side of her head is going to be red, and then the right side will be the rainbow colors. So if you've watched any of my previous YouTube videos, or if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook or any social media, you already know I'm up on the tuck game. It is nothing to play with. Like, I love doing colored braids because I'm able to show my tuck skills. This is the first video of mine you've seen. I'm gonna go ahead and link the video in the description box. I'm gonna link it up in the cards because y'all gotta get up on the tuck game. If you're a new braider and you need help with it, make sure you watch my videos, hit me up on social media, because you have to tuck your braids. Like, it is the #1 thing that will have your braids lasting twice as long as they already are, and it gives your braids a clean look. So why not? Okay, so I wasn't able to get every color that Tay used for Nicki's wig, but for the most part, I got most of the colors. So like I said before, the left side is going to be completely red, and then it's going to transition to orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, and then purple. The way I'm going to keep the colors lined up perfectly is using the Bricklay technique. There are videos on YouTube about this. There's tutorials. There's everything out there. Like, bricklaying is definitely not a new thing, but it is the best way to have your braids laying flat, laying perfect, so your braids don't look all weird sitting on top of each other. But bricklaying is how I'm going to line up all of my colors perfectly, so there's not another color laying on top of another color. So it'll give that symmetry that Nicki has in her wig. Another tip that braiders can use to speed their styling up is to clip the straight hairs from your braids like as soon as you finish a row or like a certain section, instead of waiting until the full head is done, because that's pretty much the part everybody hates, the stylist and the client. So if you clip your ends as you're going, the end you can just do little cleanups, but not anything super serious. So what you see me doing here is extending the braids. You take a small piece of hair, add it, and it'll add length to your braids. I have a video on that technique already, and I'll make sure I link it in the description and up in the cards so you can check that out.
Coby again. Coby again.
Okay, so by the time I got to this portion over here, we was sad, okay? Me and her. These braids are cute, but they took forever. Once I look back at the editing, I realized I didn't get any footage of that green, blue, and purple side, but I did that side the same exact way I did the orange and yellow portions that you were able to see before this clip. So it's the same concept.
again.
And that's it for this Nicki Minaj Trollz inspired braid style. If you like what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, leave a comment on content you want to see from me. And yeah, check out my other videos because your girl is lit. Thanks for watching.